Okay, new update. Let's see what have I done since last time you saw me. I brought more things from car. Hydropack, siphon, and where you can wash yourself. This, I don't know English name. And here I put in a window, just wooden planks or whatever the word is to hold it, and a foam, PU foam around so it can hold it. I'm waiting when foam dries, then I will cut it. But it's hermetically closed, so no mosquitoes or bugs should enter anymore. Here more stuff. I brought in more things, some things for eating and cooking, plate, some cans like chickpea and lentils, and ham in tin cans, then sardines. And tomorrow I plan to cook, is it trout? I think it's trout or one kind of fish, and potato. I will cook it inside. Maybe chicken, but I think it will be fish. My bread and more ham, but in different packages. And here I have some food also. It's oats and nuts, all kinds of nuts. Here, mixed nuts, you see. That's for the beginning, but tomorrow first time cooked food. These tables, I brought it in. This table, refrigerator, but portable with, you just put ice inside and that's all, no cooling. A small table, you will see better now when I open the doors. So it's pretty dark. This is my solar system and refrigerator, but not a refrigerator. I don't know what's the word that freezes the food and water. So it's freezer. Yeah, it's freezer. This is panel, and I prepared this box if rain comes, so I can gather some water and a little bit here, and if I fill that one, I have another box. I don't know the word. It's a little bit harder. And this, I put foam, and I put this metal screws, 1, down 2, 3, and up 4. And here I had to take a lot of wool with Hilti screwdriver. What's the name? The driller that drills the holes. But this is, it wasn't drilling, it was like, I don't know what's the word, but when you take hard parts of the wall. So now it's hermetically closed here also. So mosquitoes and bugs shouldn't enter. Now we're in the dark. No lights here. Yeah, and here I had to remove like 2 centimeters of concrete here and down there. It was pretty hard, but I managed to do it all with my little solar system. And that's it. So now we are completely more or less hermetically closed. I still need to put metal screws in windows, but they are very secured already. And that's it. Everything is here, food is here, water, my bed, and now I can rest. It's already 19, so it's 7 p.m. and that's it. I eat a little bit more canned ham and bread and I go in my bed. I have to cover a few things if rain comes, so maybe my ceiling will, maybe water will go through, so I have to protect like electrical things and whatever cannot be soaked with water. Okay, that's the new update. Hope you like it. Let's see. This is my 18,000 euro house plus my work. Let's see what we can get before the end and return to Krapina-Zagorje region of Croatia, where I'm from. This is Peljesac Peninsula, south, near the sea. Okay, see you in next update.